How to remove dark circles at home. Dark circles present around the eyes, usually not a sign of a medical problem, but it happens when the skin beneath both the eyes appears darkened. Dark circles can be removed by home remedies for under eyes. So let's discuss home remedies to cure dark circles at home. 1. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Apply freshly extracted aloe vera gel under your eyes. Leave it overnight and rinse with cold water in the morning. 2. Green tea has antioxidants which brighten your skin. It reduces under eye circles and puffiness of eyes. Soak 2 tea bags in refrigerated water and put them over your eyes for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash your face with cold water. 3. Rose water has skin rejuvenating properties and works as a skin toner. Apply rose water on the under eye circles and closed eyelids, using cotton pads. Repeat this for 3 to 4 weeks to get better results. 4. Apple cider vinegar makes your skin look younger, and it removes the black circles. Massage a small amount of apple cider vinegar under your eyes using a cotton pad. Repeat this every night before going to bed. 5. Cucumber has mild astringent as well as skin lightening properties. Cut thick slices of fresh cucumber and refrigerate them for 10 to 15 minutes, then put the chilled slices over your eyes and relax for 30 minutes. 6. Virgin coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which lightens skin and repairs skin damage. Gently massage coconut oil under your eyes and leave it overnight. Wash your face with lukewarm water in the morning. 7. Almond oil has vitamin E and is an excellent emollient. It lightens the black circles and makes skin soft and supple. Dip a cotton pad in almond oil and apply on your under eye circles before going to bed. Massage gently for a few minutes and leave it overnight. Rinse with cold water in the morning. 8. Tomatoes have lycopene, which helps in treating skin damage. It also has skin bleaching action that lightens skin tone. Apply sliced tomato or juice over the under eye circles. Leave it for at least 15-20 minutes and wash with cold water. Repeat it for 3 to 4 weeks to get good results. 9. Honey has moisturizing, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and anti-aging action that makes skin younger and brighter. Apply honey over your under eyes and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with water and do this step twice daily to get effective results. 10. Milk contains lactic acid that has anti-aging and skin lightening properties. Put 2 cotton balls soaked in cold milk over eye area having eye bags and eye circles for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with water and do 3 times a week. 11. Lemon is rich in vitamin C that rejuvenates and brightens the skin. It also has antioxidant and skin lightening properties. Apply lemon juice over the eye circles with the help of a cotton ball. Let it dry for 15 minutes and then wash with cold water. Do this routine once daily for a week. 12. Turmeric has curcumin, which is a skin lightening property and improves the glow of the skin. It removes the dark and dead skin cells. Mix a spoonful of turmeric extract with a little amount of almond oil. Massage it over eye area and let it dry for 15 minutes. Wash with normal water. 13. Olive oil nourishes skin naturally and skin tone beneath your eyes. Pour some virgin olive oil on a cotton ball. Massage it over the under eye area in a circular motion and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Removing or lightening dark circles around eyes is just one step away from you with these easy home remedies. Now you know many ways of how to remove dark circles permanently at home. So, give them a try and vanish your stubborn under eye circles forever. I hope you like this video. Experience healthy skin and hair.